Welcome to the sixth part of our tutorial series on how to enter a closed deal. This tutorial will cover the process of managing the deal contacts for this lease. After updating space details as needed, the workflow will take you to the Contacts tab. There may already be some contacts or companies listed here if the assignment, property, or project template you selected earlier had contacts associated with them. And in the case of assignments, if you also chose to copy those contacts to this deal. You can easily add more contacts or companies, or remove the ones already listed that aren't participants of this particular deal. To remove a contact or company, just click on the red X icon on the right. In this case, the property's owner copied over from the property, but the landlord entity we're working with for this leasing assignment also copied over. We'll just keep that entity and remove the owner. Add a contact by using the fields at the top. Type in the name, company name, city, or record ID to look for an existing contact record. You can also use a combination search, such as for the name and city, if your initial search lists too many results. Contacts in your firm, internal contacts, will be highlighted in yellow so you can easily pick them out in the list. If you select or add a contact, the company will populate automatically, but you can also just add a company without a contact to the deal by using the Choose a Company field. Select the appropriate role for this contact and click the Add button. That contact will now show in the list below. If the contact you're looking for doesn't show up, you can click the green plus icon to create a new contact. The same option is available for creating a new company. There are separate tutorials on creating new contact and company records in our Help Center or on our YouTube channel. You can change the role for a deal participant by clicking on their current role. Select the correct role from the list, then use the blue Save icon to submit your change. The red X icon next to it will cancel your changes and retain the original role. Finish by selecting the key contacts for this deal. You'll want to make sure you designate the primary client, the billing customer, who may be the same person but doesn't have to be, the primary salesperson, in this case the primary listing broker, and the project manager. Click Save and Continue to move on to the next step.